branding, brand value, brand ethics, brand strategy, brand growth, brand quality, brand offering, brand parlance. If all these are the terms about which on daily basis you are discussing in your boardroom, in your meetings, or if you want to make a successful brand, if you want to develop a successful brand strategy for your company, for your product, then be our strategic partner. Myself, A.K. Mishra, business consultant, business strategist, and expert media panelist for different economic and business issues and topics. We are going to organize one of the India's biggest training program where more than 3,000 invitees are expected to join at Delhi's Talkatora Indoor Stadium. Intellectuals, persons from media, from journalism, and from so many other fields, entrepreneurs, businessmen, lawyers, students, faculty members, they are coming and they are expected to join this mega training program. If you are a brand owner, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a businessman, university, you may be any college, you may be any NGO, you may be a multinational company operating across the world, you may be the unicorn, or you may be a startup. This is the golden opportunity. Come, be our strategic partner and take your brand to the zenith. Whatever you are dreaming about your brand, this is the biggest opportunity to interact with thousands of the people where you can tell, where the people can experience the brand offering of your company, of your product, of your brand, as well as they can also feel the core philosophy lying behind your brand. The public can understand, the whole world can understand, can experience in a vibrant manner. This is some such kind of the platform where the talent across India, across worlds are expected to come, join and interact. Be our strategic partner of this training program. Be our sponsor. Book your stall, book your canopy, advertise with us. This is the golden opportunity. The reach of your brand should be across India, across the globe. Don't wait. Just visit our website www.gesglobal.in and write to us that how you can be a strategic partner of this mega event. I, A.K. Mishra, business strategist and consultant, I am a media panelist. I have participated in thousands and thousands of live TV debate related with the economy and business on all leading Indian news channels. As an expert, I was putting my opinion that what kind of the factor lying behind the economy, what should be the growth rate of economy, how the business, how the environment is going to impact Indian economy. Along with all these things, so many other topics has been discussed on leading news channel. On behalf of our company, Global Events and Seminar, I do invite all the entrepreneurs, all the business owners, all the intellectuals to join this mega event, to join our training program and be our strategic partner. Be the sponsor of this mega training program which is going to be held on 8th of December, Monday, 2025 at Talkatora Indoor Stadium, Delhi, India. Sponsor our program and showcase your brand value, showcase your success. Let your brand recognition should be reached across globe, across your potential customer, across your potential buyers, among students, among youth, among intellectuals of India, among intellectuals of the world.